Have you ever wondered how successful businesses manage their operations so efficiently, and can you do the same? This is the intriguing question we'll explore today. Business management, the art and science of organizing resources to achieve business goals, is crucial for any successful venture. And the good news? It's something anyone, from beginners embarking on their entrepreneurial journey to seasoned professionals, can learn and master. So gear up as we're about to delve into the steps that will guide you through the complexity of business management. Business management is not a mysterious art, but a science that anyone can learn. It's all about mastering three fundamental steps: planning, organizing, and controlling. Let's start with planning. This is the stage where you sketch out your business goals and the strategies to achieve them. Think of it as drawing a map for a journey. You need to know where you're headed and how to get there. Next up is organizing. Here, you're putting your plans into action. This involves arranging resources like your team and tools so they're ready to execute your strategies. It's like setting up your camp before the big hike. Lastly, we have controlling. This is where you monitor your business's progress and make adjustments as needed. You're essentially checking your compass regularly, making sure you're still on the right path. These three steps, planning, organizing, and controlling, are the heart and soul of business management. They're interconnected, each one setting the stage for the next. Now that we have a basic understanding of what business management involves, we can delve deeper into each step. Let's take a closer look at each step of business management. First, we have planning. This is where we set our goals and determine the best way to achieve them. Think of it as your roadmap to success, but remember, the most effective plans are flexible, allowing for adjustments as you navigate your business journey. Next, we have organizing. This involves arranging resources and tasks to meet these goals. It's like setting up your chess pieces strategically on the board, ready for whatever the game throws at you. Finally, we have controlling. This involves monitoring progress towards these goals and making adjustments as needed. It's like being the captain of a ship, keeping an eye on the horizon and adjusting your course as necessary to reach your destination. Each step is crucial in its own right, but together they form a powerful trifecta that drives effective business management. Mastering these steps can put you on the path to successful business management. So, what are the key points to remember about business management? Let's recap. We've learned that business management revolves around three pivotal steps: planning, organizing, and controlling. By thoroughly understanding these steps, you can enhance your business efficiency and drive it towards success. It's essential to know that these steps aren't rigid, but rather flexible and adaptable to your unique business needs. Remember, successful business management is not an unreachable goal, but a skill that you can learn and master. So go ahead, take the reins and steer your business towards success.